Hey, how you doing? My name is Paul Farace and I'm a photographer based out of St. Augustine, Florida. And today I want to talk about taking landscape photos close to home. All right, first off, it helps me find the time to shoot. We all have families, we all have responsibilities, we all have jobs and things to take care of. And it's not easy to just like drop everything and go for days or weeks on a landscape trip. When you shoot close to home, it allows you to find those little hours where you can get out and practice. You can go out for sunrise before work. You can go after work and catch sunsets. You can go for night photography. There's always time to find the time to go on a short trip close to your house where you don't have to invest the time and money to take a long trip. So it allows you to get out there more often. And it allows you to practice more frequently. It's forced me to get out and do this. So it's a lot easier to get motivated when you don't have to invest all that time. Like I said, the time and money to take long trips. While they're awesome, and I plan to take many, there's no reason why you can't just use your short amount of time to get out there and take shots. We all have a beautiful place around us. There's a lot of stuff around your home base that you probably haven't taken advantage of. And I just want to say, get out there and do it. The more you get out there, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Another thing is it lets you get the best light. If you're going to the same places over and over, you're going to capture that awesome light. You're going to be there on those days when the light is just amazing. Not every time you go somewhere is a great light, but when you can come back, you're gonna capture those magic moments. You're gonna be able to share that beautiful moment with everyone. And that's an amazing thing because not everybody can get out there and be in those amazing moments. You wanna share that magic with everyone. I'm lucky enough to have several places around that I can get out to. I actually live on about 11 acres, 12 acres in St. Augustine, and we have a couple miles of woods just right off my property. I'm able to just walk out there and explore for a long time. I don't even have to get in the car, so that's awesome. But in the car, I can take a 5-minute drive and I'm at the river, which has beautiful cypress trees with Spanish moss hanging. The light comes in underneath this hammock and all the cypress knees, which are just crazy alien looking. It's amazing, and it's just 5 minutes down the road. I'm sure you have something like just as unique around you that the rest of the world doesn't have, and I'm sure people would like to see. The beach that I go to is about 20 minutes away, and I'm able to get there at sunrise before the crowds get there and just take some awesome shots. I just want to say, get out there. Anything you can do to motivate yourself to get out there is gonna be a good day. You're gonna get better at photography, you're gonna have experiences, you're gonna capture light that you probably wouldn't have caught if you were just on a trip here. Or on a trip, like say to your part of the world. You're gonna capture those moments, and it's something that you can do easily, and it doesn't take a huge investment in time or money. Just keep getting out there and you're gonna get those amazing moments.